Hi, I just wanted to share with you a website that I found and it gave me some inspiration. It's called Mymo and it's mymo.is is the website. And if I scroll down, the idea of the website is it takes any two letters and it makes it into this one three-dimensional object like you see in this image here, and it's interactive so that you could do like if you wanted to do New York, like was shown down below, you could put that and then you can move it around. So you see the N and the Y, and that's the example they showed below. I started playing with it, and I liked certain combinations, and I wanted to play with this one a little bit. So I found this interesting for design, and it inspired me to model it myself, and then play with different ideas with it. So that's what I was going to show you next. Just a really cool site, though. You can do any letters that you want, your initials or anything that you find interesting. If I go to my model, this is my model. Again, that was inspired by that one. And the way I did this was I started out with a cube, and I cut away some material to come up with my X, and then I did a circular pattern of that, to come up with the three-dimensional shape that I found interesting. So once I did that, I thought of doing some other interesting things. So with the circular pattern, you could edit that feature, and you could try different values in here. And this is a cool shape based on three occurrences that you see here. And if I highlight those three occurrences, you can see how this works. Start to see how this works. So I just really thought this was really interesting and really, really cool. I kept going with the features. So I did 4 this time. I'm going to show you 4 this time. 4 duplicates the double X if you do 360 degrees versus 2 occurrences at 90 degrees. So that one repeats. And then if you keep going with this, if I do 5, and see that start to take shape. And this is what the 5 looks like. And when I did this, I just again I found this really interesting, and I just kept going with it. And you can start to see how this works with the cutting of the way of the material. And you can keep going. I did 6. There's 6. I can show you 7. And you can keep going. I mean, there's really no limit